How's everyone doing today? Well, I thought I should make a little small video of transferring one of my teas. It is a Nhandu chromatus, the white striped bird eater. This is Nadia. It's about a 2-inch unsexed. I have reason to believe it's a female. So here's her enclosure. It's an oversized deli container with holes around the side. It's got potting soil, a substrate, piece of bark for a cave, and small orange bottle cap for its water source, or swallow dish. Alright, so now we're going to open her up, and hopefully she's not too aggressive. Alright, so let's get on with the transfer video. Yeah, I'm going to have to turn her around. I have a little small bald spot. It's probably going to get larger by age. There we go. Not terribly too complicated. And there you have it. A little short video of Nhandu chromatus, the white striped bird eater. I think she'll do well this enclosure for another 1 or 2 molts. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed it. Peace.